Good morning, welcome to Morning Expresso. You're watching Indian Express. I'm Charulata Biswas. Let's begin with the big story of the day. It was that kind of a day at the Indian stock markets that saw headline writers dust off and pick metaphors such as bloodbath from the less imaginative but graphic shelf to describe Monday's sharp correction. The benchmark Sensex crashed by 2,000 points intraday or 2.62% before closing with a loss of 1,546 points at 57,491.51. In an interesting trend, some of the new age technology companies which had recently listed on stock exchanges with much fanfare also fell sharply. Here are the stories you'll find only in Indian Express. The BJP is likely to drop around 80 sitting MLAs in UP and change seats for almost a dozen overall for the last three phases of the assembly elections. Sources have said the party leadership was keen on dropping more MLAs, but after the recent exit of three ministers and almost a dozen MLAs, it decided to proceed with caution. Let's have a look at the front page. Air India will likely be handed over to the Tata Group on January 27th, with the disinvestment process reaching the final stages, according to the airline's officials. The airline's balance sheet was finalised and shared with the Mumbai-based conglomerate on Monday, and the company is expected to review it by Wednesday, following which the transfer will be made. In a sign of growing discontent within district development councils in Jammu and Kashmir over their functioning, a fourth DDC is considering moving a motion of no confidence against its chairperson, even as three other such notices gather dust. Shopian DDC member Raja Waheed of the PDP told the Indian Express the chairperson has not called a single meeting ever since the introductory meeting of the council was held in March last year. Here are the must-reads. Former Zimbabwe captain Brendan Taylor, who recently retired from international cricket, said he is facing a multi-year ban for the delay in reporting to ICC, a corrupt approach by an Indian businessman. The 35-year-old wicketkeeper batter said he was blackmailed by the businessman and others that if he did not spot fix, they would make a video of him taking cocaine public. I'm the first Dalit groom to ride a mare through these roads. This is one step towards equality. That was Shira Meghwal, a contractual employee with a Gram Panchayat in Rajasthan, whose wedding was the first ceremony held under an initiative of the Bundi Police and District Administration titled Operation Samanta, which means Operation Equality, to break taboos enforced on Dalits, such as not letting scheduled caste grooms to ride a horse, mostly a female, to their wedding ceremony. The Hindu Yuva Vahini, a youth outfit founded by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in 2002, has been maintaining a low profile since receiving a rap from him in 2017 for its vigilante streak. Now with Yogi all set to contest his debut assembly election from Gorakhpur urban, the outfit has stepped out of the shadows. When head coach Rahul Dravid fronted up to the media after 0-3 ODI debacle in South Africa, he had to defend the team, citing injuries, unavailability and inexperience of the squad. Looking ahead to the 2023 50-over World Cup, there are a lot of question marks on India's preparation as one reads the fine print. And in today's Delhi Confidential, with the number of COVID cases remaining high, the traditional at-home ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan on Republic Day has been cancelled this year. Sources said the decision was taken after a number of ministers and officials and even Vice President Venkaiah Naidu got infected with the virus. And finally, in today's Three Things podcast, we discuss why the iconic Amar Jawan Jyoti was extinguished, the Indian family of four that froze to death in Canada, and why refugees are continuing to arrive in Mizoram. That's a news wrap from my end. For news and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Indian Express. Thank you so much for watching.